schizophrenic or something. Stop! Let's not start. If I ever knew house hunting or fixing up a place would be such a strain on our marriage, I would have just stay home and bear it forever. Let's just get past this. We love each other very much. And there's a reason for this happening. And we have to face it as one. That's what a marriage is. Not fight and walk out when everything not perfect. Tough it out. Things will get better as long as we see it as our problem. Not your problem or my problem. I show too much people, man. Too selfish. I want to get on with my life and my career or whatever. No, man. You have to live this as a team. Till death do us part. Look how the man bringing a baby without talking to her first. Stupid. Then she don't help by leaving him. Nobody wins. Who's up? Both of them and the baby. Me. Because they couldn't work it out. I miss 4 parents and I'm going to fight for my birthright. So honey, please don't make this any harder than it is. I want this place for us. My father already cursed it with his misguided thoughtlessness. We can bring him back to life again. Our love. Take it back from burning.